Hello.
This is for you. Listen.
It's okay.
This song is like a letter cause I address to you. I tried everything to send these words to you. This is a beginning, I'm going to send a word to you. Something you never know, do everything for you. I was looking for love, but I met you on the way. How we really met, it's like a waylay. Like you were going somewhere, but I'm standing on the way. Mama be patient, I promise the brother's on the way. You're not my girl, but you're already on my phone screen. How I caught up in the feelings like I'm 14. Every time I think about you, I'm like a 13. It's crazy how I still smile while I'm here too. We have a smile, we have love, you are kind too. How dare you stole my heart, you a thief too. Promise to love your heart, cause you deserve to. You know that I love you, let me love you. I know you hate them, promise you love. I know you hate them, promise you well. I have nothing to say, cause I know I ain't special. I'm just a nigga who fall in love with you. My crush, my crush, my crush. You my crush, my crush, my crush, my crush. You my crush. Can't promise you much cause I know I get less, but I love your heart, give you no stress. I'll never break your heart, I'll never make you cry, I'll never leave you all alone. You deserve a smile. What do I love you? What do I need you? Million girls in the world, but I love you. Trying to be the best, but to be I need you. Make me a better man, this feeling so incredible. Don't run away cause I ain't giving up on you. My number one priority. To make you smile, to make you my priority. To make you smile, to make you my priority. I know you hate them, promise you love. I know you hate them, promise you well. I have nothing to say cause I know I ain't special. I'm just a nigga who fall in love with you. My crush, my crush, my crush. You my crush, my crush, my crush, my crush. You my crush.